I gotta say before you take my words so deep or easy, I know you're not happy.
My channel. So in today's video we're going to be creating this look. Okay, so I've just went in with the Barry M All Night Long concealer and we're just going to follow the shape of Alexa Demi's eyeshadow. By using a sticky base, it will help give the eyeshadow more pigment. Because we want this to be as vibrant as possible. So I'm just using the brush to give me a shape. I'm going to go off camera and just perfect it. But we're then going to go in with the eyeshadows and start pressing them on the lid. Okay, now that we have the base down, I'm going to go ahead and take the Sample Beauty palette and taking the light blue shade and just start packing this on the lid. It's not only does it give us a base for the shadow, it also gives it more pigment. Not that this palette needs more pigment, but but I'm just going to go ahead and take a smaller brush just for this inner corner. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this step on the opposite eye. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and take the shade, which is the deep blue shade from the Sample Beauty palette, and I'm just going to repeat the exact same steps that we did with the light blue using the dark blue. Okay, so now what you want to do is mix the light and the dark blue, and you just want to take a fluffy brush and start packing right in between that, and this should hopefully create a blend. Now that that is all applied to the eyelid, we're going to go ahead and get started with the gems. I actually purchased these from Amazon. You can get a bunch of different colours and things, but I just went with silver. Okay guys, so I've just started applying the stones on my eyes, so I'm going to go ahead and start applying some glue above. So I'm just going to take my little wax pen. I'm just going to go ahead and take one of these. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And you pretty much just want to follow the shape. Just like so. So I applied 3 little gems and then I went a size up. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue this all the way till the end. Okay, so now that the eyes are all done, I added some little hair gems, and then I'm just going to go in with my Doll Beauty diamond highlight and just lightly apply this. For my lips, I just used the Fenty Gloss Bomb and my LA Girl lip liner. So yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and take my eyelashes. These are Flutter by Prima Lashes. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you guys want to see more of these Euphoria looks, let me know in the comments down below. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!
About good or bad, even if they ask, I still don't wanna add. Don't wanna add.